Welcome to another ARM Software Developer Breakdown. My name is Robert Wolf, and in this video, we will once again be meeting with Valentin, product manager from Canonical, to continue building out his innovation lab. If you missed any of the previous parts to this series, cruise on down to the description and find the part you are on. So in the last video, we got to meet Valentin, and he gave us a great overview of his demo. Now, before we dive in and build anything, we're first going to talk about the hardware requirements and the software dependencies necessary to follow along. Valentin, take it away.
Yeah, so we're going to try to build this lightweight, high available, and low maintenance microcloud from Raspberry Pis. Here you can see that I got 4 Raspberry Pis stacked together. This is 4 Raspberry Pis 4 with an 8 GB RAM. You see that it's powered over Ethernet. It's all plugged together through a switch here. And basically that's it. I'm not going to demo much on the connectivity part. It's all using my home networking. And we are going to look into the virtualization and containerization parts together. Okay, so now let's talk software dependencies. I'm on Ubuntu desktop on the Raspberry Pi 400. This is already configured with an SSH connection to all of the Raspberry Pis running in the cluster. So I can log in into the number 1, for example. The Raspberry Pis are already running Ubuntu server. I've done the apt update, apt upgrade of everything on both systems. And here you can check your LXD version, that it's the latest. I've also configured some Ceph storage that we're not going to dive deep into it. But you can see it's all clustered, all the 4 Raspberry Pis together. Back on the desktop, I've also snap installed kubectl, so the kube controller with snap. And I've installed VS Code for the next video from Microsoft websites.
All right, this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun, and I think we are just about ready to get started. So don't forget to like the video, follow our channel, stay tuned, because in the next part of the series, Valentin is finally going to show us how to build his innovation lab.